Good afternoon, everyone. And in this particular video, we'll be watching how to install the Google Tag Manager. So we'll start by searching Google Tag Manager. So first of all, let's talk about what is a tag basically. Tag is an element included or as a piece of code, basically small piece of code that is inserted into the source code, and it also allows the third-party analytical tools to log connections on its server. And basically, it's a JavaScript snippet that sends information to the third-party analytical tools, right? And what is a tag manager basically? uh how to say tag manager? Yeah, so a tag manager is a tool, right? Not a tool, a platform which integrates everything at one place, one particular place basically, that allows us to manage and deploy marketing tags, right, in our website, and without modifying the source code, without hindering the main code. And that helps in modifying and make any changes in that particular code, and to host the source code of various third-party tools as well. In my own words, what is a tag manager? It's an integration platform for all aspects, starting from code integration or audiencing targets or audience behavior, audience traffic, and so on, right? So today we'll be having a look on installing the Google Tag Manager. So we'll click here. We'll see something like this kind of dashboard. Yeah, so something like this, correct? I've been working on something else, so I know the basics. Yeah, so first you have to create a new account and name anything like I'll be naming my blog search India. If you want to share your data, you can share it, or you can leave it as well. And I'll name it the Alpha Music Muscle. I'm sorry, I'm working on this thing. Just remove this part. Yeah. So you can see we have various target platforms as well. We have web, we have iOS platform, we have Android platform, and many more. So I'm sorry. Yeah. So this is a website. So I'll be creating a container, and these are the subject to market risk and all. Like the third party is not, you know, they are not responsible for anything such like this, that things as well. So click on yes and wait for some time. Yeah. So they have created successfully. We have two codes here, and we'll be pasting the first one just after the head tag or in the second line, right? Basically, in the first code, there's a function which function describes W for window, D for document, S for script, and what is data layer we'll discuss later. And this is the ID what we are using, what I is referring here. So we'll see it later. And if the code is not visible to you, you can just click on this ID and you'll be getting the code back, correct? And we'll be getting some this kind of dashboard here, and you can add some more other things, like you can create a variable, you can add a trigger, right? So first we'll see how to add this particular tag into our website. So we'll go here and we'll click appearances, then we'll go to theme editor, theme file editor. Yeah, and in these theme files you have to search header.php. The code what you have seen earlier, you have to just copy that code, and you can just paste it here just after the head tag. So I've already done that, and after the body part, again gtm tag. Okay, and go down, just update this file. Once the tag is successfully connected, I'll tell you the procedure to check it. Yeah, so now come to your website, right click, page source code. Yeah, so this is the title. Come to head. Yeah, so here you can find the Google Tag Manager code. this part. Okay, and this is the ID what we have seen earlier. And after, in the body tag, just a second. Yeah, again the Google Tag Manager. Okay, so in this way you have to check like the Google Analytics that code is successfully implemented or not. And there's another way how you can do that. And this, there must be a question in your head like why only after the head we are using this tag, or why after the body tag we are using this piece of code. So why we are using these codes, right? So mainly to create sessions, for new created sessions, to track them, or saving the info while loading the page, right? And the main work is done while pixel codes or Google AdWord codes, something like that, right? We have many more things like Google Search Console and AdWord codes, Google Analytics. So for that reason, okay. And for body, like we are not only tracking the sessions, we are tracking the scrolls as well. We are tracking every click what they are doing. So according to that behavior, we are taking decisions, right? So talking about the other option, how we can do is we can use plugins. We have to add a new plugin. Just a second. Sorry. Yeah. So you have to search insert header footer. Just wait for a while. And yeah, so this part, it's already active here, so you have to just click on it. And after activation, just go to settings, insert headers and footers, click on this option. Yeah, so in scripts in header you have to just copy that code what we saw earlier and paste it here. And the body in here, these scripts will be printed just below the opening body tag, and that the same line was mentioned in that particular code snippet as well, right? And after that you have to just save. And again the checking system is same for every like in every method what we are using, right? You'll be seeing this kind of source code here. So this was all about installing Google Tag Manager. uh, Thank you so much.